So I am showing you guys how, I want to move this out of the way, there we go, how to take this airplane and make it into a stop motion so that we can write a prepositional phrase. So the first thing I want everybody to do is you're going to grab your airplane from the side over here and you're going to drag it onto this green bush. That's where we're going to start our airplane. Okay, so we are dragging it onto that bush right there. Now, click back over on the left-hand side where the slide deck is. Click slide 1. When you click slide 1, you're going to see that an orange rectangle, right, appears around it. Notice when I'm not on slide 1 and I'm clicking over here, the orange rectangle goes away. So you want to be clicking this so that the orange rectangle is there. Now hit Control D. Control D. And you should have seen that now there's an orange rectangle around slide 2. So we are on the second slide. And you're going to take your airplane and you're just going to move it kind of up like this. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Okay, we're moving it up just a little. Okay? Now click again over on the left-hand side slide deck on slide 2. So there's an orange box around it. And hit Control D. So it's going to duplicate it again. Again, move your airplane up like it is flying in the air. And then hit slide 3 again. Control D again. I'm going to bring my airplane up a little bit more, but notice what I do this time. I'm going to grab this top circle and I'm going to just move it because I want my airplane to start to flatten out a little bit because I'm going to have it land probably in this tree. Okay, so I'm going to hit Control D again over here. You click this circle right here. Okay, I'm going to make this go down a little bit. Again, Control D each time, and then you're going to move your airplane after you hit Control D. And what we're creating is this stop motion effect. So again, I just keep hitting Control D, moving my airplane. I decided I want it to land in this tree. I want everybody to do what I'm doing for this first one. Yep. And there we go. So it's in the tree, right? Now remember, this is to show us about prepositions. So I'm now going to take a text box and I'm going to insert it right here. And I'm going to fill it with a color just so I can see what I'm writing better. And I'm going to write a sentence. The airplane flew between the tree branches. The prepositional phrase here starts with the preposition. So which of those words tells me where the airplane is? Airplane flew between the tree or branches. Which one tells me where the airplane is? Yes, Liana. Good, between. So starting at between, notice what I'm doing. I'm highlighting between the tree branches and I'm going to make it bold because that is my prepositional statement. If you go back to slide 1 and you kind of click through, you can watch your airplane fly and then it lands. What I'm going to ask you guys to do, and then I'm going to pause this recording, upload it so that you can rewatch it if you need to. What I want you to do is for each of these 3 other scenes, we've got the playground, the classroom, and a street. I want you to create your own path for your airplane. And when you land it somewhere, write a sentence telling me where it landed, bolding the preposition.